Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to dry your wigs in under 30 minutes at home using my Cocoon wig drying method. Okay, so I've already shampooed the wig and I've used 2 towels to dry it off. So step 1, lay down a towel on a surface. So you can do it on the floor, carpet, or a table like I'm using, but you want to put a towel down first. Next, you want to put the nozzle of your dryer inside facing the cap of the wig. Next, you want to take that second towel that you used, and I like to use the wetter of the 2 towels, kind of like a weight. So it really weighs down the wig and keeps it from flying around the room while you're waiting on it to dry. Remember to make sure to leave that back part of the dryer out. Do not cover that. Now, the reason I leave both towels wet, especially the top one, is because I like to use it as a gauge to let me know how dry the hair is getting. So as you can see, sealing this hair in creates a cocoon, which in turn dries the hair quickly. So here it's only been about 15 minutes and you could see the top of the towel was pretty dry. Underneath it's getting dry and the wig cap is completely dry. The only thing that's wet was some of the hair. So I needed to reposition my dryer and pop it back under for about another 10 minutes or so. I also want to note here that the dryer is on medium heat and on low speed. If you put it on high heat, high speed, you'll notice the room filled with smoke and the fire department will show up. So after another 10 minutes, look at the towel. It's almost completely dry and the wig itself is completely dry. If you have any spots that are not completely dry, don't worry. The main purpose of this is to make sure that the person's wig cap is dry before you put it on their head. You don't want them leaving out with a wet cap. And so this dries it without you having to purchase that blow drying mannequin head and all that other stuff. This is a real unfancy but quick way to get it done. 30 minutes or less, a completely dry wig. Now, let's talk about this hair for a minute. This is actually my hair that I sell. It's 100% Cambodian. This is her, I don't know how many times we have washed and rewashed and installed this wig, but it has lasted us. I mean, we colored it, did all the fun stuff, and it still looks beautiful. You can find the hair on my website at CecilyWyatt.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.